Hey kids, cook real food. I got my little guys here today. We are making kale chips for dinner. What's the very first thing we did, Gabe?
Wash our hands.
We washed our hands. Did we just throw them under the water and rinse them real quick and then dry them on the towel? No.
No. We used soap and washed them for a whole 20 minutes.
20 seconds, the whole ABCs. 20 minutes would be a really long time. You'd get bored. John, you're kind of the expert at kale chips. So I feel like I'm just going to walk away and go make dinner and let you take over.
Right.
Is that okay?
So we have to get these into like pretty little pieces, bite-sized pieces. We wash the kale really well before this. We use different kinds of kale all the time. Sometimes green, a little purple. Sometimes it's curly, sometimes it's flat. You have to make sure not to get this stem. Use that stem in your kale chips. It does not taste good.
Do you guys know what I do with these?
Use them for asparagus?
Do they look like asparagus? A little. No? No, I don't. You know what? I saved these. I'm going to throw them in my next green smoothie.
I know.
Did you?
Yes.
I'm not too little.
No,
I'm
no,
seeing
it's
some
stem.
too. This is too little, I think. Don't you guys? So pay attention to tearing like along the stem instead of away from the stem. This is a good job for little ones, though, huh, Gabe? Do you think if you were 3 years old, could you do this job?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. Can you hold up like a perfect size piece out of the bowl? Like what would you recommend to kids? So the dinosaur kale is a little skinnier. Like curly kale, I will say, is easier. I think that's perfect, Gabe. Think about a potato chip, right?
Like this.
No, hold on up. If you think about a potato chip size,
big.
well, no, that's okay. Potato chip size is just right. And sometimes there's little potato chips. Sometimes they're a little bigger. All right, I'm gonna leave you guys to work. I'm taking my stems.
So now we ripped all these kale things. Now we have to put, I can just eye it up about, I don't know how much, like a drizzle. Like that. And then we have to stir it to get all the oil mixed in.
When all the leaves are shiny, that's how you know it's ready.
And then we're going to pour it out onto a cookie sheet. You need one more ingredient. Salt. Make sure you use the little holes and then do little shaker shakes in some places.
Kale chips are done. You can smell them. And they're literally fall apart crunchy like a potato chip. Look at that. These are pretty brown. These are almost too done, but I think they'll be just perfect. There they go. All right, let's see. Are they crunchy?
Mmm.
Listen to that. Perfect. Good job, guys.